credit history is the name of the game. Let me ask you a couple questions. If you were denied for credit, if you were denied for a home loan, if you were denied for a car, if you were denied for a credit card, that is all based on your credit history. That's right. And according to FICO, the credit history represents 35% of your credit score. Now, we all know that the credit score is the #1 factor that lenders look at when they're trying to approve someone for credit. So if your credit history is bad, then more than likely you will get denied for that loan. So what can we do about that? Like, if you're watching this video right now, you're asking yourself, well, Mark, what can I do to better my credit history so I can get approved again, or I can become credit worthy again? So the good news is that there is hope. There's hope. There's hope, because if you focus on one element of the FICO score, which is credit history, and that means all of the late payments or derogatory accounts that was associated with your credit history in the past. So if you were late multiple times or even recent, that makes up the credit history. So if you were denied for something, it's because your credit score was extremely low. And the bank is saying, no, you have a bad credit history. So you need to fix that credit history so you can become credit worthy again. So the question is, well, what can I do? Well, what can I do, Mark? I'm watching your video. What can you tell me that I can do right now to fix my credit history? All right, so there's a couple things you can do. Number one, remember, credit history is only 35% of the entire FICO score. There's 4 other elements that you have to improve on also in order to have a high FICO score. Now, in some later videos, I may go into those other 4 elements. Now, once you get all 5 elements together and you improve on all 5 of them, then your score will definitely rise to a level where you can get approved again for what you want, right? All right, so let's talk about credit history. So Mark, what can I do? I mean, you're talking all this mess. What can I do to improve my credit history? All right, now, if you're a self-starter like myself, then what you can do is you can read articles, you can watch videos, and you can get books on how to repair your credit. Because you have to learn how to repair the negative, inaccurate items that represents your credit history. So you have to get good at that, right? So again, you can read articles on Google on how to repair bad credit. You can buy books on it, on how to repair bad credit. I have a great book on Amazon. It's called Hidden Credit Repair Secrets. You can go to Amazon and get that. Well, that's my book. All right, so that'll be a great support if you did that for all these videos that I do. Number 2, you can watch videos like this. You can watch videos like this and learn how to repair your credit history. There's softwares on the market that teach you how to repair your credit history. All right. And if you like doing it on your own, then you can do it by yourself. If you're saying, Mark, I am too busy for that, I don't like reading, I don't know anything about this whole thing, I just want to hire someone, then there's credit repair companies out there. And if you are a credit repair company, you know what I'm talking about. There's credit repair companies out there in the market that you can hire that will focus on repairing inaccurate information that will improve your credit history. Now, let's recap. If you got denied for a car, a home, a credit card, anything that requires a bank to give you money, the reason why is because your credit score is not at a level that the bank want that score to be. And that's why they denied you for that. But again, like I said, there's hope, because you can improve your credit history. Now remember, like I said, the credit history is only one element of the 5 factors of the FICO score, but it's the highest element of the FICO score. So if you can improve that, that's a good start. And then you have to start focusing on the remaining 4 elements, which I will cover in another video. All right, so this is Mark Clayborne, the best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book in the country, Hidden Credit Repair Secrets, available at Amazon.com. If you want a free class on how to improve your score or on how to repair your credit history, go ahead and click the link below this video. All right? If you want a free class on how to improve your score and or repair your credit history, click the link below this video. Now, I also want you to share this video. I want you to comment on this video, and I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, share, comment. Again, Mark Clayborne from StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com, best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book in the country, Hidden Credit Repair Secrets. I hope you got some value from this video. Go ahead and click the like button. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.